Hey Austin, so this is your Facebook page. It looks pretty nice. You get quite a few people that like and follow you. Yeah, I like it. I don't see a website for you. I've tried to find one. I couldn't find one. And I'm going to be talking about Google and having you on a website and how that can help you. So let's go to Google, search flooring installation, Lakeland, Florida. Normally ads will be popped up here for people that want to advertise for that specific keyword. Then there's the Google Map Pack. I'll talk about how you can get on there later. But then this is organic ranking, and this is one of your competitors. He's number one ranking right now for that keyword. This is what his website looks like. Looking here, he only has about 600 and some words of content. I plugged him in here, 635. And when I go to save his pictures, he doesn't have them marked for keywords. You don't want to save it like this as 126. You want to mark it for something that you want to rank for, as well as you're going to want to have at least 1,000, probably 1,500 worth of content for your landing page or your home page. And Google loves content, so having that as well as saving your images properly will really boost your SEO for when people search for flooring installation needs or services in your area. I went to Ahrefs, which is a really nice tool. I would suggest if you're going to do this yourself that you would get the $7 for 7 days trial. Don't forget to cancel, otherwise it's kind of expensive. But anyways, this is your competition. You'll notice he doesn't have all that many backlinks or referring domains. It looks like he started a lot January of 2020 to bump it up, and he hasn't done too much since October or September. And his DR is pretty terrible. He actually has some good power, but he's not all that popular with backlinks, which is good. It means you can outrank him pretty easily by getting backlinks. And backlinks are not created all the same. They're not, so we want to go out and get the ones, we want to basically copy what backlinks he has, but get the ones that are good. Because we can see here, we don't really want a 623. You would rather have like a 1521, 2921. The higher ones, like that's a lot of power there. Not popular, but a lot of power. So it won't be bad to go get some of these nice ones out here. With that, we can also see what his keywords, what he's ranking for. And see, I looked at Lakeland. See all these KDs. They're going to be hard to rank for. There's a lot of competition for them. So I was looking here, and I didn't really see one that I liked all that much when I was going down here. I mean, there's some you could go for. When I went over here, I saw that there was Lakeland Carpet Cleaning, 50 and 1 KD. That would be super easy to rank for. And there's about 50 people that search it a month. I don't know if that you do carpet cleaning at all or not, but if you did, I would definitely go for that one. But I wasn't too happy with the keywords in Lakeland. I noticed you were not too far away from Tampa. So I went to Tampa, I typed it in, checked out your competition there. Down here, twinbrothersflooring.com. Checked out the website. They actually have even less content on their page, so be super easy to beat them there. Let's see what they saved their images as. Flooring store in Tampa, Florida. Then they have their name. That's not too bad. That means they want to rank for that in their search engine. Flooring store in Tampa, Florida. If that's a keyword they want to rank for, that's good. So they actually did pretty good with their images. So I put them in Ahrefs. You can see they have more backlinks, more referring domains. Their numbers are a little better, especially the DR. And it looks like they've started in going for after backlinks in 2016, and they're doing okay. I went to check their keywords as well, see what they got. I like a lot of these keywords better. I noticed flooring installation, Tampa, 80 people search it a month, 5 pretty easy to get. Wood flooring Tampa, pretty easy to get. 100 people search it, 5 again. And down here, there's quite a few that look pretty nice. Even 7. It's going to take a little bit to get 7, but not too bad. But this one, flooring contractors, Tampa, Florida, 20 people search it, pretty low volume, but 2 KD, which is really nice. And Tampa laminate flooring, 40 people search it, 0 KD, super easy to rank for. Definitely go after one of those. And there's not, I'm sure there's a bunch more in here that would be good to go for. Then when it comes to, let's see, when it comes to the Google Map Pack, if you want to rank in here, I use a handy tool called, not there, local or whitesparks.ca, and it lets me see the people that rank for the map pack. Plug both the top guys in. This guy has 4 citations. This guy has 7 citations. Very easy to beat. You can easily outrank them in the map pack. I'm surprised that it's only 7 in Tampa. But anyways, we can come in here, click on them, grab their citations. See, this guy's got Yelp, Yahoo. Looks like that's all he's got there, but it says he got 7. I'm not entirely sure why I don't see any other ones. But, you don't have to just grab exactly the ones he's got. You can go out there and grab tons more. Because, you can get hundreds, 200s, just dominate him, become number 1 in the map pack. Lots of people use the map pack, so it's super easy to beat them. Super easy to get that number 1 spot there. I like a lot of the keywords you can go for. I like Tampa better than Lakeland, but I'm sure we can find something in Lakeland too if you don't want to travel to Tampa. I'm not sure what your area you cover in is, but we can set up a GMB in Tampa as well and get your ranking there. So anyways, I hope that helps, gives you an idea of what you could do. You're welcome to take this video and go at it yourself. I would definitely use Ahrefs and find what keywords you want to go for. Definitely go for the low key KD. And it also tells you about if you want to do ads, tells you how much it costs, how much people are paying to get that top spot with the ads here. Don't spend $10 for that, unless it's worth it to you. But when you can spend, there's some other ones that are cheaper here, like $5 there. Hardwood flooring installation, Tampa, 50 people search that, 2 KD, super easy, and then no one's putting ads there, so you can do the minimum, which is right a little under $1, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but super easy to put ads for as well. Tons of stuff you could do. But yeah, you can do this all yourself if you want. Otherwise, you can talk to me, and you can set up another call. You can set up a call or a Skype and or Zoom and go over stuff if you want. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day.